You don't go feel say you don't follow. If you know they love your brother, so me tell you this. If you love it, make you show it, show it. You ever try to stop it, control it, control it.
Hello everybody, my name is Janice. I am the coordinator for the Sounds of the Caribbean here in North Chicago, Waukegan, Zion and surrounding areas. This is our 16 years of doing the Sounds of the Caribbean. We started the Sounds of Jamaica and now we are at the Sounds of the Caribbean. I'm very glad to do this community events. Thanks to the Foss Park commissioners, who is our partners we're partners with them. So if it wasn't for them for these years, we would not have this big, beautiful park. And so we're very grateful to be here and to be able to celebrate our independence from all Caribbean islands. With me is Commissioner Donna King, and she could say a few words about how the Sounds of the Caribbean is with community events.
Thank you, Janice. We've been doing this for years now. I can't even count the years. I'm just thankful and grateful that the community comes out and we're able to celebrate our West Indian heritage, our Caribbean heritage, our African American heritage, our Latin heritage. We're just thankful and grateful that we can all come together every year and do this. See you guys next year.
Thank you very much. We appreciate you being here and supporting me over the years. So thanks a lot for your support as well.
Hello guys, I'm Lacey and I live in a community. So this is like my 4th year at the event. So every year we come out and support. And today we're from Belize, so we're representing Belize here, okay? So we have a bunch of Belizean stuff here. And what we like to do is I like to give back to my community, also to Belize. So today we have a raffle, and this is all Belizean stuff, right? Because I'm trying to help a classroom so they can paint their class and to paint the school. So this is the raffle. This is Belizean cheese, and we have a bunch of different Belizean shirts and stuff. And then we just have like some mangoes and stuff. But it's always fun to come out here and support. Okay, thank you guys.
Hey, I'm the owner of Soulicious Food Truck.
Hey, I'm Jeff. I'm also the owner. We known for our special Soulicious tacos and our nachos and our burritos. And you can find us on Facebook right here.
Hi, I'm Carol Lee, and it's Christmas in July. We are here at the Sounds of the Caribbean at Foss Park in North Chicago. If you want to get some authentic Jamaican black fruit cake or the traditional Christmas cake, come on down. We also have homemade sweet potato pudding. Come on down and try it. You can get samples. And we also do orders in the season, in the Christmas time. You can give us a call, 224-326-0298. We also have fresh, organic callaloo. It's pre-prepped, ready to go. Only thing you need is your pot and a little bit of oil, and you can enjoy Jamaican callaloo just like you always did back in the day. So come on down.
What's going on, guys? It's Justin. A lot of you guys know me as Jay. I'm here at the Caribbean Fest in North Chicago at Foss Park. Man, Taste of Belize. I'm here to represent Taste of Belize. You guys know we have our location at 2207 Grand in Waukegan. We're here all day. This is our 4th, 5th year. I'm losing track of how many years we've been doing this. We appreciate Janice and everyone, all the vendors, everyone who's here, who's putting this together. It's appreciated. Every year that we've been here, it's always a lot of people. It's always a lot of love. And yeah, man, if you guys, to everyone who's gonna be here, thank you guys, and to many more years. And if you guys can't catch us here today, make sure you stop by at 2207 Grand Avenue in Waukegan. We're there, we're only closed Sundays and Mondays, but we're there every day. So stop by, guys. We've been there for 9 years, so going on a decade of serving the community some good jerk chicken, oxtails, for the Belizean community, the Jamaican community, the Caribbean community. So thank you guys, thank you.
Hello, my name is Kamara, and this is?
My name is Chad.
And we're the owners of Island Flavors. We make the best jerk chicken, festival, and rice. If you want to find us, we're on Facebook at Island Flavors Grill. And like us, and you'll know when our next event is.
Yeah, and don't forget about the oxtail. The oxtail is a must. You have to try.
All right, thank you.
We are Lake County line dancers and 4114 line dancers. We are a group of women that dance locally, and our motto is, you don't stop dancing because you get old. You get old because you stop dancing. We have danced at Lake County Jail. We have danced at the nursing homes. We dance at birthday parties, weddings, wherever we're asked to dance, whatever event it may be. And we enjoy doing it. It's good exercise, good camaraderie, and we love it. If you want to contact us, contact Gladys Nealon, 708-289-2867. Thank you.
All I need is your love, oh baby. So baby, don't know, just give me that, oh baby. All I ever need is your heart, oh. So give me that, oh girl, let me back, oh. Cause that is all I need. Oh, be your one, don't leave it, don't leave it. Oh, be your one, baby, baby. Oh, be your one, don't leave it, don't leave it. Girl, I love you not because of your bumper, bumper. Girl, I love you not because of your tongue, tongue. Girl, I like you for who you are. Not for your shape looking like guitar, not for the sake of your shape guitar. Girl, play up, girl, play up. Give me melody, give me melody. Your melody of trouble, baby. Charlie, love will not be naira or dollar. Oh God, you know the matter whether you be short or tall. Be your one, don't leave it, don't leave it. Oh, be your one, baby, baby. Oh, be your one, don't leave it, don't leave it. Oh, be your one, baby, baby. All we need is one love, oh baby. For the world to be a better place, oh baby. All we need is one heart. You don't go feel say you don't love God, oh. If you know they love your brother, so me tell you this. If you love it, make you show it, show it. You ever try to stop it, control it, control it. Baby girl, make you roll it, roll it. It's a beautiful thing, so hold it, hold it. Somebody need ya, somebody want ya, somebody somewhere really care about ya. Baby, what you say? I should be telling them. Boo, 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 boo. Oh, be your one, don't leave it, don't leave it. Love is all we need. Oh, be your one, baby, baby. One love is all we need. Oh, be your one, baby, don't leave it. One love, one love, one love. Oh, be your one, baby, baby. Girl, I love you not because of your bumper, bumper. And I know you don't love me not because of my timber, timber. There is not a love for nothing conquer, baby, baby, baby. So baby, make me stay together, make me stay together. Oh, don't leave it, don't leave it. Love is all we need. Oh, be your one, baby, baby. One love is all we need. Oh, be your one, baby, don't leave it. One love, one love, one love. Be your one, baby, baby, baby. One love, one love, one love. One love is all we need. One love, one love, one love is all we need. Baby, oh, Dr. Ray on the mix up, say. And yeah, and yeah, and yeah. Are you feeling myself? Pull up that stuff. Good evening. Who want it that stuff? Who want it that stuff? I go by the name
big Ice the Warrior. And right now, I was invited to perform at a festival. Now I see a lot of people seated. This is not a church. Please, I'm not a pastor. So please, I advise you, for your own health's sake, get up and exercise your body and move up your muscle and them type of thing. Because right now, we're at a time we're eating a lot of food that's not helping us and we're sitting too much. So right now, get up and full jar the vibes. Roll it back on it. Alright, so let your rise and it's gonna scatter. Them get beaten back up repeatedly. Why are you thinking of things that out of God, hunger, land, from Judah? Holy Emmanuel, Lord, gonna stretch for the errands and take my children out of Babylon. Tell me who, cause I don't see no one who can take us safely to the promised land. Tell me who's gonna stretch for the errands and take my children out of Babylon. Tell me who, cause I don't see no one who can take us safely to the best. From the bus comes the roses, we need another Moses to take my children out of Babylon before probation closes. If you know what I'm talking about, then you would know that there is no doubt. In a Babylon it's like a drought, my people them living from lands to mouth. Gotta get out, 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 out. Gotta get for their hands and take my children out of Babylon. Cause I don't see no one who can take us. Take it up with the council leaders. Now I'm gonna talk to Johnny Brissane here from Belize, the Prime Minister of Belize. We can also talk to the Prime Minister of Jamaica. And we can also talk to the President of the United States of America. All I wanna be leaders and none of them not worthy. Say it loud and clear, I hope you heard me. Leading people astray, work them night and day for so little pay. Oh, it hurts me. In a Babylon, sufferation box out. The wealthy about the poorer class get box out. Every credit card done already box out. The check way in a bank, it already tax out. Money no bank yet, but the trap. How you feeling, myself? How y'all beautiful people doing today? All my Caribbean people, them in the place. Let me show the raise of the hand for the love soca music. I goes by the name of Honesty. I know someone will hear this song already. Follow my lead, baby. Hang on. So I got a new song for you I want to sing today. So I want you to bear with me, right? Because it's a brand new song. This one goes by the name of Sugar Rush. The song name is Sugar Rush. Play that one first. Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Her body sweet me like a jar of honey. Yeah. She tease me, then hurt me, cause she gotta hold me. Yeah. She get me excited when she touch me. She use brown sugar in that curry. I see you, baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You're so beautiful. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This gal, she tempting me. Why this gal keep tempting me? Now I'm tempted to touch. I got the sugar rush. Now I'm tempted to touch. I got the sugar rush. How y'all doing, you beautiful people from Waukegan, Chicago? Caribbean people all over the world. I goes by the name of Honesty. I love you, but you want to give me the cookie. Yeah. She got me on this journey. She got me feeling thirsty. The way you smell, you got the husband know well. You look good in that dress, girl, put me number in your you, baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You're so beautiful. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This girl, she tempting me. Why this girl keep tempting me? Now I'm tempted to touch. I got the sugar rush. Now I'm tempted to touch. I got the sugar rush. She comes with a warning. How y'all feeling? Stop it. How y'all feeling tonight?